Hey, what's up? My name is Travis Monsod and you're tuned into my channel, Travis Monsod. So this is going to be a very quick video as I wanted to share you guys what tech pickup I got over the weekend. So the family went to lunch at the UP Town Center. And guess what opened almost across the restaurant? The Xiaomi store has now opened. Yes, the UP Town Center Xiaomi store is now open. You know me, being Mr. Stay Future Proof, I had to go and check out what was available in the store. And for this vlog, I actually had one pickup. I wanted to buy so much, but I only got one pickup as we were about to eat. And this is the Xiaomi Wowstick 1F Plus right here. So this guy is basically a motorized screwdriver. It has all the precision tips and it has a docking station. This will be essential to when I'm working on a lot of friends' machines, PCs, phones. So we'll be doing an unboxing right now of the Wowstick. Disclaimer while I'm actually unboxing, I was actually wanting to get the other motorized screwdriver. It was a little bit more heavy duty, but that will be on a next purchase soon and a next video soon. All right, so let's open this and see what we have. All right, so once we slide out the box, we have a screw pad. It says a screw pad. So we have a screw pad. I'm assuming that this is metallic. It's a bit thick. So we have a screw pad. Xiaomi has made it organized for everything. And this is the case. It says this is the case. It says if you can focus right there. It says I'm the case. I'm a case. Okay. Then we have this is the dual power screwdriver. There. And then this one says Bits Group with the X1. Bits Group. There you go. This is the X3 Bits Group right there. Let's see it focus. Oh, it's not focusing, so. And this is the Bits Group X2. So we have the base. And then we have the toolbox. And of course, what's left is the paperwork. So no more stuff in the box. And I'm gonna open first this is the base. Ooh, nice. So this is where you put the machine after you've used it. It's nice and it's actually pretty stable. It's durable. Let's go with the case. Ooh, fancy white case. This is where you put the machines. And let's go with the dual power screwdriver. Ah, there. So this is the pen, and if you can see, I can feel if I press this and then this, I can actually feel. So if I press one, it's going one way, and then if I press the one here, it's going the other way. It also has a light. So it's a really awesome pen. And then there's a micro USB. There you go. Micro USB. Come on, focus. There you go. So here you have a micro USB. And what happens is you basically sit the pen on the stand there, so it doesn't go around. Alright, so that was the dual power screwdriver. Now I want to open this is the Bits Group. Okay, so the Bits Group X1. basically is so I have bits and pieces. These are the sizes of the X1, which will go like this in the case. And this is the X2. I'm actually opening the X2 now. So with the X2, I think we have we have star screws. We have the P5s. We have the hex screws. So in the case, it comes out like this. Then we have the X3 group. Let's see this. The X3 is okay. So I got tri-tip screws. I got these are the smaller Phillips screws right there. So these are the Wowstick and the tips. Okay. So we got the base of the Wowstick. We got some accessories, and yeah, this is a great pickup. So yeah, so this is the Wowstick 1F Plus from Xiaomi right there. This is the one stick. Pretty awesome. The build and the machine is solid. I'm pressing, I'm pressing it, and it feels awesome. I like the feel of the. I think this is brushed aluminum. I like the feel of the Wowstick in the hand. So, yeah. So that's the Xiaomi Wowstick right here. I love the build in the hand. I love the motor, how it feels. This is, I think, matte aluminum, or maybe, it doesn't feel flimsy. It feels pretty good in the hand, and I love the accessories. I want to try all the tips. I have the iFixit tool case, and I'm going to be using that with this. Let's see what happens when I try swapping out the tips. But I think Xiaomi has me covered with most of the tips that I'll be needing. So yeah, that's the Xiaomi Wowstick, and that basically concludes this short video of the unboxing and me showing what I was able to buy. Now that the Xiaomi store is actually open in UP Town Center, that's near my place, you'll probably see me there window shopping a lot, planning out some things that I want to get. I actually plan to, beef up the home network more, maybe get some repeaters from Xiaomi, get some more network cameras for safety. I've actually downloaded the Xiaomi app already on my phone, and I'm actually waiting to see what else I can do with Xiaomi's products for the home. I plan to do a smart home soon. There are actually Xiaomi smart bulbs that I want to see and get into. They also have sensors, door sensors and window sensors that I want to, test out. But yeah, let's basically get this home more future-proofed this 2020. All right, so again, my name is Travis Monsod. Stay future-proof, Manila. Cheers.